Hello everyone. So far you have understood the construction of time series graph for one variable only without and with false baseline. Now we shall move ahead and learn how to construct a time series graph when variable is more than one and measured in the same units. And for this, let's take this example of petrol and diesel import annually, beginning from the year 2015 till 2020. Petrol import and diesel import both are measured in same unit, which is 1000 tons. The values of import in different years for two goods have been shown here, which you can see. Now we shall go step by step. So the first step is to select the variables for x and y axis. As is known, x axis is independent variables where years will be shown, and y axis represent dependent variables where the import of petrol as well as diesel in 1000 tons will be shown. The next you need to select the axis scale. For x-axis, the scale is 10 millimeters, which is representing 1 year, which is 2015, shown by A on x-axis. And for y-axis, the scale is 10,000 tons of petrol or diesel, equivalent to 10 millimeters, shown by A dash on y-axis. Next is to find out the length of x-axis using this formula: scale length divided by scale variable value into maximum variable value plus end margins. One finds that it turns out to be 70 millimeters or 7 centimeters. So length of x-axis would be 7 centimeters. And finding exactly on the same lines for length of y-axis, it turns out to be 50 millimeters or 5 centimeters. Next is to take a graph paper and select point O near the left side of the graph paper at such a location that both x and y axis can be easily accommodated. So draw a line OX 7 centimeters long, representing years. Draw a line OY 5 centimeters long, representing petrol and diesel import in 1000 tons. Then you need to mark the variable, which is years, on x-axis. The first point would be at a distance of 10 millimeters, representing year 2015. Then next point would be at a distance of 20 millimeters, representing 2016, and so on, mark till 2020. Exactly on the same lines, mark dependent variable, that is petrol and diesel import, on y-axis, beginning with 10 millimeters, showing 10,000 tons of petrol and diesel import. And then at 20 millimeters distance, mark for 20,000 million tons and mark points till 40,000 tons of petrol and diesel. Next is to plot the time series graph for both the variables, petrol import as well as diesel import. Beginning with the petrol import, let's coordinate for the first year, that is 2015, when 10,000 tons of petrol is imported. It is represented by point C on the graph. Then one can coordinate 2016 with 18,000 tons of petrol import, 2017 with 15 tons of petrol import, 2018 with 24 tons of petrol import, 2019 with 28,000 tons of petrol import, and 2020 with 36,000 tons of petrol import. All these are represented by C, D, E, F, G, and H points. And by joining these points, one gets a time series graph for different years meant for petrol import. On the same lines, one can then plot diesel import points, again coordinating the year with the diesel import. In 2015, it is 5,000 tons import. In 2016, it is 12,000 ton import. In 2017, 8,000 tons. In 2018, 18,000 tons. In 2019, 24,000 tons, and in 2020, 32,000 tons of diesel is imported, which is represented by points J, K, L, M, N, and O. By joining these points, one gets a time series graph for diesel import. So, in this manner, it is possible to show more than one variable on one graph with the same units. I hope you have understood how a time series graph can be made when there is more than one variable and having same units. Next time we shall discuss how to plot a time series graph with more than one variable but units of measurement are different. Till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just Rs 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to ECOSTUDYS channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.